Hello and welcome to this walk-in in Da Vinci Museum in Florence. Da Vinci was born in 1452 and died in 1519. He was an Italian polymath. He was active as a painter, draughtsman, engineer, scientist, theorist, sculptor and architect. Though he is mostly known as a painter, he has also become known for his notebooks, in which he has made drawings and notes on a variety of subjects, including anatomy, astronomy, botany, cartography, painting, and paleontology. Leonardo represented the Renaissance humanist ideal, and his talent and works affected later generations of artists. In this museum you can see models based on numerous sketches made by Da Vinci. There is a drum robot, all kinds of lifting mechanisms and ships and even planners. Kids areas have some models which you can try, but in the most of the museum you can only watch the models. This room is full of all kinds of battle machines. Same as now, back then war was moving to progress, as it's much easier for an inventor to sell a crazy idea to a military, especially if it's another wonder weapon. So we can see here some battle tank ships, fortresses, cannons and so on. You can see that besides of sophisticated weapons, Leonardo also designed some axes and spears, which look most normal. Mirror room. Leonardo once said, "If only the man who finds himself could see himself in every way an infinite number of times and with infinite beauty, because he cannot see the greatest and most excellent imagination that the human eye can see." Perpetuum mobile, the infinite engine, it doesn't really work, you can try. All kinds of lifting machines. Most of mechanisms were inspired by great engineers of ancient times. Da Vinci studied them, reproduced and brought some improvements. There are also some souvenirs you can buy, look pretty nice. Da Vinci made a contribution to the building of the dome of the Florence Cathedral. He was working for the great engineer Brunelleschi back then and learned a lot from him. You can see some lifting machines of Brunelleschi, also improved by Da Vinci, and a model of the dome. There is a building place with some small houses on the top. Interesting wheel ship. It was a working model but did not become a mass used. It was very expensive and pretty complex comparing to usual boats. A device to lift a column. Nowadays many people doubt how it could be possible. Well, this is how. So many aspects of life were interesting for Leonardo. We already saw some building and battle machines, but this is something special. An auto grill is a spinning, fully automated, using the energy of the hot air lifting up. And it's also auto-adjusting. The hotter temperature is, the faster it would spin, so it's hard to overcook using this mechanism. In general, this museum makes a good impression. I would still recommend to visit it with a guide. Thanks for watching and see you next time.